What's going on, everybody? Russell here. Magic, your favorite MedicMagic. I was coming at you guys real quick. I want to show you the state of my car right now. Will you guys look at this? This is what it looks like driving in 2017, the winter of 2017 in Western Pennsylvania. There is so much salt and just buildup and crap. Don't mind my garage. Remember that video I made about how it was all clean? Not anymore. Anyways, this is what the car looks like. One pet peeve I have. Look at this. Look at this. So probably my biggest pet peeve with this car, which I made the video, the top things I hate about it, and this is just going back to it. Like, you guys can see up here, the water droplets fall so perfectly. If you have your window even just slightly cracked, all this stuff gets in your car, and it's even worse because you can see it from the salt. I got out of my car the other day and I looked at my hoodie and there was a bunch of like nasty marks on my arm that were like dark and dirty, and I was like, what the heck is that? And then I realized it was because it was all the moisture coming off the window falling on my arm, and the water's all dirty and salty and nasty and it's staining my hoodie. So that's pretty dumb. I know you guys can get the little covers for the windows things. I don't know how well I like those, how they look, but it'd been nice if they would have threw a little German engineering into the windows so you didn't get soaked when you're driving your car. So little tiny tidbit though. Anyways, on to the point of this video specifically. We are officially saying goodbye to 2017. It is wow, I almost just said January. It is December 31st. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and I am shooting this video live. Well, I guess it's live for me. I don't know what you guys are doing right now. Again, guys, my Instagram has been blowing up. I've been hitting out people left and right. People have been DMing me. It's going down in the DMs. If you have any questions for me, it's easier to hit me on there. Let's go over what happened this year. I know we came into the game kind of late. 2017, kind of like in August, started to making videos, started picking up speed. Still picking up speed right now, doing really well. Have a lot of good videos out there. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who watches my videos. Even like the stupid nonsense videos I throw up, like the one I put up last night. Those are fun to make. It would be cool to be able to get as many views and interactions and whatnot with those videos as I do versus, like, say, my cracks and pops videos that's been going crazy lately. Hopefully we'll get to that point. So I would just like to say thank you to everybody for watching all the videos, liking, commenting, sharing, getting us to this point. You guys got me to stage 2. Right now we're only like a couple hundred away from 2,000. So do I make any promises for 2,000? Do I say something crazy? If you guys have any ideas, drop me a comment here down, and we'll see what goes on. Like I said, we got our springs done. We got the intake. We had put on the blow-off valve. We took off the blow-off valve. We did the spacers. We did tire changes. There's just goes on and on and on. The coolest thing about making the videos is just like, it's almost like home videos that are stored online. Like, we can just go back and watch them whenever. We plasti dipped, we unplasti dipped, we lowered it like I already just said. We made a custom exhaust for it. We took the custom exhaust off, we put the downpipe on, we got stage 1 tuned, we got stage 1 dynoed, we went stage 2, you're gonna go stage 2 dyno here real soon. Put the muffler back on. Countless videos, reviews, things like that. It's just been really, really good. I'm happy that there's so many of you guys out there that are interested in this car, in this brand, and what I have to say, and I really do appreciate that. Let the haters talk, say, oh, you only have a GTI, nobody really gives a crap. Here she is, here I am. Plans for 2018. So here we are. I kind of have a little bit of a grasp on what I'm doing, and I'm getting a little bit better, making the videos, being more entertaining. I haven't been wearing my glasses as much, but these ones actually look really good. They were a mistake. I was supposed to get shiny ones, and they were like matte, and they look really, really good. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna keep them in the vlog, you know. We're gonna see here, things have been shooting up. I wanna hit 10,000 subs quick. What I really want, what my next goal is right now, is to hit that magical 100,000 to get the silver play button. And I wanna say right now, in 2018, with what I know now, and I'm getting better at making these videos, doing everything better and better every day, we're gonna be getting the silver play button in 2018. Mark my words, December 31st, 6:01 Eastern Standard Time, New York time, whatever, Pennsylvania time, we'll be having the silver play button. I'm gonna save this video somewhere so I can play it back when we get it. What's coming for this car in 2018? Oh, you know what else we did in 2017? We bought a freaking S2000. We bought an Impreza, sold an Impreza, But on this 2000, what's coming for this old girl in 2018? Well, we had talked about the dyno, which that's coming up. We're gonna be giving away the dyno prize for whoever commented on the last video, and who is gonna get closest to the wheel horsepower number will win something crazy. Part of me wants to tone down the front end of this with a grille that doesn't have the red and the headlights that don't have the red, maybe. But also I love like the heritage of the GTI and like the red lines of the GTI and whatnot. So that's kind of a toss-up. We are going to be getting the clutch. I'm deciding I'm leaning towards Black Forest Industries versus, I think the other one's called like South Bend or something like that. Just because there's not too many people out there that go with the Black Forest Industries, and I would love to give you guys a user experience and give you an install and everything so you guys can have an idea, since there's not really many reviews out there and not too many people running them that make videos. So, like I said before, wheels and tires, do more drag racing, do stuff like that, more suspension, the sway bars, the engine mounts, all that kind of stuff, just to really plant it to the ground. You know, we have enough power up front. I'm not too worried about getting a bigger turbo right now or on stage 3. I feel like we have almost too much horsepower for what the car is, how the car's set up right now. So we need to fine tune the things around the motor and around the turbo to get it even faster without just going for straight horsepower numbers. So there's that. Things to come with the S2000, forced induction, hardtop, roll cage, wheels, tires, suspension, a bunch of different things coming as soon as we can get the car up to the other shop. I made the terrible of a mistake of not getting it up there. We had a couple nice days, didn't get it up there. I think it was actually Ben's fault. Oh, let me say this real quick. Teddy Westside, I don't hate you. Ben doesn't hate you. My viewers don't hate you. We love you. Go follow Teddy Westside. But no, don't follow him. I'm kidding, go follow him. So all that's coming with the S2000. I wanna get a truck. My dream truck, my dream idea, I wanna find an old F250 or F350, the old square boys like the 90s. A 4-door, I don't know, short bed, long bed, like out in California or Utah or like Nevada, like somewhere with like dry heat that it's not rusted, there's no salt, it's never seen a winter. Fly out and then drive it back and document the entire thing and make just the coolest, raddest video series. And take Ben with me, maybe take Teddy Westside with us too if you can get the days off work. But maybe take some vacation time, go see the countryside and just document everything. So there's that. But just to wrap things up, guys, I really do appreciate all the love that you guys give me. I appreciate the hate too. Give me the criticism that you want to give me. It doesn't bother me. But we have much to come in 2018. I'm very thankful for all the progress that we've made in 2017, and it's only going to get better and better from here. So again, thank you guys. Be safe tonight. I'm gonna get this video uploaded tonight. Boost and booze don't mix. Maybe that could be like the title. Boost and booze don't mix. Oh, that might be too clickbaity. I don't know. With that thumbnail I just took, boost and booze don't mix. That's a t-shirt. I'll catch you later, sometime real soon. Have a great holiday. Remember, hit me up on Instagram. Send me some stuff to my P.O. box. We'll open it up on camera. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment. Hit me with a sub. Share the videos. Get the word out there. Get the MedicMagic Nation out there. Alright guys, peace.